Arcus Biosciences is a mid-sized clinical stage biotechnology company pursuing combination therapies for patients with cancer.
We're focused on designing precision combination therapies for high unmet need cancers with the goal of a cure. We operate in areas of oncology that have tons of really big players, and so we brought Sedulo on board to help us work through a really complex competitive landscape.
And to help identify issues, open items, and gaps that existed in our planning. We chose Sedulo for their global reach, oncology expertise, and their ability to surface insights beyond the obvious.
And they also have an ability to get through a lot of data, a lot of inputs, and help us synthesize them into something that's really actionable. They were able to have primary engagements with our potential stakeholders and customers, as well as gather a lot of secondary data and bring it to us in a way that we were able to work through it, synthesize it, workshop it in a really efficient way.
The Think, Act, Beat approach really let us get into the minds of our competitors and ultimately surface the insights and identify the gaps that we were hoping to. Coming out of the workshop, we had a very clear roadmap and who, what, when of responsibilities to address some of the gaps and open items and initiatives that have been identified throughout the day.
I think we had a lot of fun, actually. We brought our cross-functional team together across the organization and really brought the subject matter experts to the table. The Sedulo team brought their expertise and a depth of data that allowed us a really efficient way to work through a lot of complex inputs and get to really, really clear prioritized outputs.
There may have been some initial skepticism about the value of such a workshop for a pre-commercial company, but at the end of the day, the team got a ton of compliments from executive leadership, and there really was genuine buy-in on what needed to be done as we move towards commercialization. We're already actually contracting with Sedulo for a second workshop in the next couple months, so certainly we're happy with the outcomes from the first workshop.